This video will teach you 2 simple ways to copy a table from a PDF to an Excel workbook using Excel 365 for Windows. Select a cell, click the Data tab, click Get Data. Select from File and choose from PDF. Excel will open your file manager. Select your PDF and click Open. Excel will connect to the PDF file and display a list of tables. Select a table to copy. You can click through each table to see a preview in the right panel. To copy multiple tables into your Excel workbook, check the box next to select multiple items at the top. Click Load. Using Microsoft Word. Open the PDF in Microsoft Word. Select the PDF that contains the table and click Open. Click OK when prompted to convert the PDF into a Word document. Use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the table you want to copy. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Open your Excel sheet and click the cell into which you want to begin pasting the table. Press Ctrl+V to paste. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.